I can't get a job. They come to this country, they just get a job just like that.
So when you apply, what do they say to you?
Well, I've got a criminal record. Assault.
Assault?
Yeah.
How long ago?
Well, I've been out of prison now 3 years now.
And so you blame immigrants rather than your criminal record?
The number one rule of not being a criminal is if you don't want to do the time, do not do the crime. How can you blame the immigrants after you go about assaulting people, rioting and creating unrest, knowing full well that if you are caught and sent to jail, you will have a criminal record against your name, which will make it difficult for you to get a job and access other facilities? That is why I find it absolutely ridiculous when people make such comments about immigrants. Here is the truth. Most of the jobs the immigrants do, you can't do it. It's either the job is too low for you, or you're uneducated and unqualified for the role. Plus, let's not forget that at a very young age, you already got yourself into jail, and you now have a criminal record against your name. These immigrants you accuse of stealing jobs, most of them are overqualified for the role in question. Some of them are PhD and master's degree holders, after paying huge amounts to obtain these qualifications. Yet you see them doing menial jobs, while paying hefty taxes, so that you can get your benefits. It is time for you to have some sense. UK needs immigrants. It has always been that way since WW2. You all need to go and educate yourself about the history of this great nation. So if you are outside causing unrest, you are going to jail. I have a strong feeling over the next couple of weeks and months, we are going to see a lot more people crying in court, because a lot of the people out there rioting, they are not built for that life. But they're going to find out real fast. So say no to unrest. Respect the law.